you know that Hoover is not just for their vacuum cleaners? Because they do come out with their steam vacs to get rid to get rid of a stain. You this is not a bad choice of this is not a bad choice of a vacuum. We already soaked it in bleach, and it's almost dry now. Let's see how this vacuum picks up the dust. Well, this is a not bad vacuum cleaner. If I was a girl, and if my boyfriend wants to do this chore for me, I want to marry him. I want to explain why. This right here has a very good beating agitator, so you could lift up the carpet. Just like most vacuums by Eureka. Yeah, that company came out since, I guess, 1909. And this came out a bit later. Yeah. Yeah. This vacuum is equipped with 2 speeds. One for this vacuum can be used like any other vacuum, like the concept models. Considering this vacuum is something like a manual-driven vacuum, and I probably caused a lot of dust in the air, so I'll vacuum after this video. Yep. If you want to clean out the dirt duct, it's located somewhere here. This does come with the dirt tube. Yeah. Yeah. This can clean up coffee grounds on the carpet, but it won't pick up any stains. I gotta use like a stain vac. They should have stain vacs at any store, like at Walmart or Goodwill or Kmart. A river store. They might have ordinary vacuums or steam vacs. And thanks for watching. And also thanks for watching a video called Hoover Products.